In your QC lab, you want comprehensive visibility over all operations, which means knowing what tasks team members are working on and when testing will start and finish. You need to know if materials or batches are late and what is causing them to be late. And, most importantly, you need your lab metrics to be real-time, reliable, and aligned across all laboratories and sites. These goals can be achieved in your lab with PlanDomino. PlanDomino automates sample grouping, digitizes workflows and scheduling, and helps align with your customers. It continuously updates testing priorities and ensures the lab is operating at optimum efficiency. This results in actionable data that's harmonized across labs, real-time visibility over operations and late batches, reduced costs, a boost in productivity, and with PlanDomino, teams who know what to do and when to do it. Now you can coordinate simple test workflows or complex multi-step tests with multiple instruments, with rapid deployment in as little as 3 hours for a team. PlanDomino is intuitive and user-friendly, guaranteeing adoption on the ground. PlanDomino sits outside your QMS, so there is no lengthy validation. Use it for one small team or scale it up for multiple labs and manufacturing locations. PlanDomino is your lab's gateway to digital transformation. If your laboratory is not connected, you're not in control.